Hello foodies, this is Delicious Cravings again. Today's video is about making strawberry ice cream. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. Here are our ingredients. We need 2 cups of strawberry, 2 packs of all-purpose cream, condensed milk, sugar, vanilla syrup, and lemon. Now let's start off with cutting our strawberries. Let's cut them into small pieces. Actually, I use frozen strawberries. I bought them fresh, but I couldn't find time to make a recipe for them. Then I came up with the idea of making an ice cream. Once everything is cut, it's time to cook them. Place them into the pan. Then let's add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook them over medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the lemon juice, which helps to balance its sweetness. Once the strawberries become soft and syrupy, remove them from heat and let them cool completely. Let's make the ice cream. In a large bowl, whip the chilled all-purpose cream with a hand mixer or whisk them for about 3 to 5 minutes until it reaches thick and fluffy texture. Just like this. Gently mix in the condensed milk and vanilla syrup. For the condensed milk, I use at 1 pan about 300 ml, and as for vanilla syrup, this is only optional, but for added aroma and flavor, I put 1 teaspoon. Let's incorporate them together by using a mixer again. Fold in the cooked strawberries. Mix the cooked strawberries into the cream mixture until well combined. Now transfer them to your desired container. Smooth the surface with a spatula, then top it gently to remove air bubbles. Cover tightly and freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight until firm. There you have it. It's time to serve and enjoy, so scoop your extra creamy, smooth, and flavorful strawberry ice cream. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, please comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Let's spread positivity, no hate, just love. Happy cooking!